Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make something easy when you really don't feel like cooking, but you gotta cook. I don't know whether to call this a fried egg and cheese sandwich, a grilled cheese and egg sandwich. Whatever it is, it's easy and it's pretty tasty. So essentially for the sandwich, you could just toast your bread, but I like to make it sort of like a grilled cheese sandwich. So I'm going to add maybe a half tablespoon of unsalted butter right onto a preheating griddle. And now I'm going to add my bread. And I'm just going to let that start to toast in the butter and the griddle until it's golden browned and crispy. So while my bread is toasting or on the griddle, I'm going to work on the fried egg. Here I'm going to use one large egg, and yes, I know that's cracked. I already have my nonstick pan preheating. I've added a half tablespoon of cold butter. Now I'm going to break the egg right into the pan. And for those of you that make eggs, you notice sometimes when you're using a nonstick pan, it still kind of sticks. Well, I notice if you preheat the pan first, add the cold butter, and then add the egg, it's a lot easier. So I'm going to go ahead and flip my egg, and I know this egg looks like a hot mess, but this is exactly how my husband likes it, which is why I love to cook this, because it's so forgiving. But if you're wanting something like sunny side up or over easy, well, be careful flipping it and breaking it into the pan. Okay, so I've added my egg to my bread. Now I'm adding cheese. Before you go in on me in the comment section, yeah, kind of like the processed cheese with this, but add the cheese of your choice. Now I'm just going to top it with my golden brown toasty grilled bread, and this is an egg sandwich. Super easy. And that's what's for breakfast today. So my husband's sandwich is done, also with a cup of coffee, and breakfast is served. So I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope you give it a try, and thanks for watching. You ready for breakfast?
Yes.
Okay, go for it. You're going to have a working breakfast?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I'll meet you in the office.
This will look really nice. Thank you.
Okay.